Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a PDF file in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, visit sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add your PDF file on. This is my website in Google Sites, and let's say that I want to add my a PDF or display or embed a PDF file here. So click on first you need to upload your PDF file to Google Drive. So go to drive.google.com. Then click on this new big button. Click on file upload. This is my PDF file. Double click it. Now okay. My simply PDF is uploaded. When your PDF is uploaded to Google Drive, double click it like that, and it will open up. Click on share. Make sure in below general access, click on anyone with the link. By default, it will be restricted. Change it to anyone with the link. Don't forget to click on done. And now click on this down, or yes, click on these three dots, select open in new tab. Now click on go to file, then share, and select get embed link. Double click this code to select it, to select it all, then copy it like that. Click on OK. Return to Google site. Now to display this PDF on your Google site, it's simple. Click on embed, select embed code, and paste the code here. Click on next, then insert. This is the PDF file. You can adjust the PDF file size like that. Let's place it in the center like this. Adjust its size. Let's adjust it like that. Okay, and don't forget to click on publish again, and let's view the result. View published site, and this is the PDF file. Another way that you can embed this or add this PDF is by creating a specific page to this PDF file. So go to pages, click on this little plus icon, select full page embed. Let's call it, for example, check my PDF. Click on done. Then click on add embed or add from drive, because our file is already uploaded to our Google Drive. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things, including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Then click on add embed or add from drive, because our file is already uploaded to our Google Drive. Click on add from drive. This new window slides in. Search for your PDF. This is mine. Select it with a simple click and click on insert. People with access to the site won't have access to this file. Anyone with the link, Don't share, click on share. Now this is the PDF file. Let's hide the footer, or let's show the footer. Now click on publish, publish again, and let's view the result. This is my check my PDF page, and this is my PDF. And this is how to add a PDF file in your Google site. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.